Imagine this. A prospect lands on your pricing page from a YouTube ad. Your AI agent says, "Hi, how can I help you?" Generic, boring, ignored. Now imagine this. Same prospect, same page. But your AI says, "Hey, I saw you came from YouTube looking at our pricing. Want me to walk you through which plan fits your needs?" That's personalized. That's relevant. That converts. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a hook in MagicBlocks that automatically captures page and UTM data so your AI can personalize conversations based on visitor intent without you writing a single line of code. Let's get into it. Before we set this up, let me show you what this looks like in practice. When someone visits your website, the hook captures two critical pieces of data: the page URL they're currently on and any UTM parameters in the URL. The page URL tells you intent. If they're on your pricing page, they want to know cost. If they're on your service page for home loans, they're interested in that specific product. If they're on a blog post about first-time buyers, they're early in the research phase. UTM parameters tell you source. Where did they come from? Was it a YouTube ad, a Facebook post, a Google search, an email campaign? Here's what that looks like. Let's say someone clicks a YouTube ad and lands on your mortgage landing page. The URL might look like this. The hook captures all of that. It stores UTM_source as YouTube, UTM_medium as video, and UTM_campaign as refinance. Now your AI knows this person came from YouTube, watched a video ad, and is interested in refinancing. So instead of saying, "How can I help you?" your AI says, "Hey, I saw you came from our YouTube video about refinancing. Want me to check if you qualify for better rates?" That's relevance. That's personalization. And it happens automatically. Here's the good news. You don't have to build the hook from scratch. When you use the Quick Agent Builder in MagicBlocks, the hook prompt is automatically generated for you. During setup, MagicBlocks scans your website, identifies your key pages, and creates dynamic journeys that include a hook block. Let me show you where to find it and how to optimize it. Go to Agents in your MagicBlocks dashboard and select the agent you want to edit. On the left sidebar, click on Journey. You'll see your journey blocks here. Click on the hook block. This is where your conversation starts. At the top, you'll see tabs, Jobs to Do and Actions. Click on Jobs to Do. This is where you define what your AI should do in this block. And if you used Quick Agent Builders, you'll already see a general job here. Click on that job to expand it. You'll see a text field with instructions. This is where the magic happens. The hook job automatically includes logic to capture the current page URL and UTM parameters from the visitor's browser. Inside the general job, you'll see an objective and guidelines. The objective says something like, your primary objective is to write the most engaging, attention-grabbing first message to start the conversation, ensuring it immediately hooks the user and encourages a reply. The guidelines include instructions to greet the user warmly, keep the message concise, use data from the user's current page or URL parameters, and craft a highly specific and relevant message. Here's the key line. Use data from the user's current page, URL parameters, or conversation history or memories to craft a highly specific and relevant message. This tells your AI to look at the page URL and UTM parameters and use that information to personalize the opening message. AI agents that capture page and UTM data can personalize conversations from the very first message, and personalized greetings get significantly higher engagement than generic ones. This is how high-converting AI agents work. They don't greet everyone the same way. They use context to be relevant from the first message, and relevance drives engagement. Ready to build an AI sales agent that personalizes every conversation? Head to magicblocks.ai and create your first agent for free.